obi o twantro na uhyia Aseidu Nketiah na usan ne ho a ende na wayira san say Aseidu Nketiah twantro che Ghana for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na mama ye ndisi ni a na on preso send ba ne ba Dr. Bawumia kura no aba dwani NPP na so me no ka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anso no te ase a obewu no o de nsem wei etudwa.
We were happy. When it comes high, we clapped. When it goes low, the numbers were coming, we were happy. We were very, very happy. But getting to the end, the EC should announce the thing they were. I said, no, this thing, I experienced it once during the Supreme Court. They sat there for a long time. Then when they came out, the results were bad. So I got scared. I said, these people, what are they up to again?
And when the EC finally
came out, oh, wow. My voice got, I lost my voice. We were shouting, jumping, everybody was excited. We were happy about it.
That time, did you get a chance to call your son?
He called me. He said EC, they were going to EC's place, that they've called them there, he and Nana. He called me to tell me. I said, you are all right? He said, I'm all right. I said, okay.
No, did you ever think one of your sons or your children will rise up to become Vice President of Ghana?
I was thinking that one of them, perhaps, maybe, would like to go into politics. And if he gets there and does well, that's it. He can be. And Mahmoud was an intelligent fellow. He did very well. He was doing well in school and sociable. So many friends, we can't count them. So he was already a self-made politician during his growing years.
But were you thinking that one day I'm going to have a son who is a vice president or who is a president?
No, I wasn't thinking that. I know he was good, but not to that extent. He's a good fellow, but not to that extent. I wasn't expecting that one day he will be a president or a vice president, no.
So is it like still a dream? Do you think?
Yeah, it's a dream. Something like a dream. Yes, it's a dream.
But it's real now.
It's real. It's real. It's real. Yesterday I saw him. It was real. I just embraced him. You've done well. You've done it. You've done it. Your father will turn in his grave. I gave him some encouragement. Yeah.
You wish your husband were alive?
Alive. I wish he were.
Kacho said trusting the NDC is one of the mistakes I obey as a normal human being. Yes, trusting the NDC is one of the biggest mistakes I obey as a normal human being. In fact, so we share Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Sama ne mama de tudwa. Who say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia one ne mama omo ti say omo ne ye nyina ye pe na ne omo sesere omo kasa ne ade e wuta ne mama ne so abin yi a na no ne buafon so ye den eye de e ka kire wo say NDC a political party bi a omo de atro ne na ada e na ye den e na nante atro ene nada na mo de nante eno ntina impempi no so mo ntwa ntro anchire obi a mo ntimi den enwi ni to me no yes so mo ntwa ntro anchire wa there is no way on betimi aden enwi ni to me so they always make sure they lie to you because that's the only way betimi afa so aden enwi ni to me and that is the reason why ntia e was a wo hwe ho yie so oni NDC ni e dealia because the level of it may no and you can say things that you never expected to hear but obet me aka dey show ni nyina no e kwan fa so a o de be dada wa makoto aba dey tell the power person den o to aba e de ma no and ntimaka show say you trust NDC at your own risk in some Aseidu Nketiah e ka fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ho no and then nyina ye hu say na e yentro an ko ba ko cry den enimu yes na yen try no kra ba ko sei enimu enunti ye me make sure say ye be bibia nso no amana ye kama na ye come so ewo ho so ebusuya ha Ghana and Sam TV edi am je so ene.
Oh, President Akufo-Addo has been a very good person to me because me and this is within the time now I call General Secretary for the first time. Mustafa Hamid, no year spokesperson to Akufo-Addo. Nam Eko New Plan Station, Eko Faka. At the time, my colleagues have already gone to Bolga for campaign. And I'm running for General Secretary. My colleagues have already gone. Now some team to bigger more. I didn't have a car. So I'm going to New Plan to go and pick a car. And to go and also contest for General Secretary. I say, why? Have you spoken to Akufo-Addo? I said, no. None in the office. I was the back of Odo Rice. Until I say Akufo-Addo will be within that area in the next 10 minutes. You're trying 15 minutes, Papa. No, but now me quite car. I said that the man came. Oko in the office and Mustafa Katrin. So I could really say, oh, young man, I'm told you are going to run for General Secretary. I wish you all the best. He pulled money. He didn't count. Maybe I need $2,000.
I see. What do you?
I took it.
I want patron one at the mouth.
Let's say Akufo-Addo.
Your mom penny or take.
Yes, he did that for me.
We are PNC.
Me a PNC. Then he said, I wish you all the best. He supported me at the time with $2,000. When I came out and I showed it to Mustafa, I said, I wish you well, brother. Man called New Plan View. They call Alamo car rental. A war a bank. You feel what I'm saying? Granada Hotel.
Okay.
And I make a rent car.
Yeah, the two money. Now, a new year, John Dramani Mahama, your man penny ho. Now, only you see you, Mr. Malek Basin telling Kasa. Now, Bosumi, I hear you, Mamma. Bosumi Duni, on Chaka.
Ibu Mahama! A day. Let's force on a boy. Teachers force on a boy. 2K, 3K, 1 phone. When Timmy Chomoka. Ibu! Scan, Montreal. $1 gold board sikan 6.3 billion away. Scawe ni na muntimi ntwa man for kan. Adai ibu yenye sese kurade. Eburade Yesu. Adai. De bia no mama for yi de gu Yesu. Chomuka.
This message goes to politicians, especially the NDC. You see that you are arresting Chairman Wontumi, slapping him with all manners of bill, and right now he has been slapped about 10 million Ghana cedis, and he has to, and with 3 sureties. Let me tell you, see, no problem, good. If NDC get out of power, even 1,000 years, and NPP come in power, be ready assured that they will deal with you people. NDC, if NPP come to power, they will deal with you, because they don't see all what you are doing to them. They are marking it down. They know very well that even 2028 they will not come to power. 2032 they will not come to power. From that point going, when they come to power, they will be like monkeys. You will do it to them today, but they are marking it down. After they come to power, even 30, 40, 50, 100 years, they will retaliate. They will revenge. So whilst you are doing it, be very careful, because, and those of you who want to stain yourself, corrupt leaders, wait. If NPP come in power, wait. They will come for all of you. Those of you that they are doing and you are laughing, you are happy. The NDC people, you are happy. And when they talk, Ghanaians, they don't care. When you mess up anything, Ghanaians will vote you out of power and bring NPP. And that is where you will get to understand that when you buy kinky, you take shito or you take pepper. Be ready.